Give me 67 seconds and I'll show you exactly how to build an AI business that actually makes money in 2026. Number 1, fix your mindset because you're gonna have to grind out 12-hour days. Number 2, get ahead of the curve on AI fundamentals. You don't need to be LeBron James of AI, you just need to be better than the average AI user. Number 3, chase pain, not ideas. The bigger the pain point you solve, the faster people pull out their wallet. Number 4, start building today. We're in an era where you can ship an app or SaaS in a single day. Number 5, build a personal brand and build in public. This means that the audience you build watches you build a thing they'll buy. If you do this right, the initial traction that most people struggle when starting out solves itself. Number 6, make an offer so good people feel stupid saying no. Number 7, if you build something in a short period of time and people are paying for it, congrats, you found gold. Now scale from there. Number 8, once you have proof of concept, go all in on content marketing. If you're still running ads in 2026, you're just burning your money. And lastly, the people who actually make it are doers. Everyone else who just thinks about it or planning it can't walk the talk. That's 67 seconds. Now go build.